Hey you guys, we're jumping straight into the video. So this is what we're working with. I have an old chrome set and a nail popped off. We're gonna be doing a fill today and we're gonna replace the missing nail. Mind you, I am a beginner, so please don't come for me. So I'm taking my filer and I'm just buffing off all the edges and the chrome polish and powder off. I'm making sure that I'm really buffing the edges where the nails grew out because that tends to lift a little bit. We want everything to be nice and smooth so that the builder gel can go on nicely. Next step, we're gonna go in with the nail prep dehydrator and we're gonna put it in the areas where we need to fill. This is gonna take off any excess oil that we might have on our nails, and then we're gonna go in with a protein bond. This is an extra adhesive for the prep of the builder gel, and we're gonna put it in the same area where we put the dehydrator. After that, we're gonna use our builder gel. This is what we're gonna use to fill in that gap that we have to make everything look like one and brand new. Think of this as like a really thick top coat or like a really thick clear glue, and then if you flip your nail over, it levels, and then you're just gonna cure that. I forgot to show you guys, I'm so sorry. After you cure it, you want to make sure that you wipe the nail with alcohol because that's gonna get rid of the tackiness. After that, you want to take your nail file and perfect your nail. Sometimes it can look a little different, or you miss something and you just want to perfect it and make it a lot sharper. I completely forgot to show the application of me putting on the new nail, but right here I'm just buffing out the new nail tip that I applied on my pointing finger. So I have to mix 2 gel polishes to achieve the color that I really want. I want that beautiful black cherry cola color on my nails, and make sure that you're wearing an SPF on your hands to prevent you from the UV rays. The one I'm using is from Shiseido and it's SPF 50. I had to go back in and add a little bit more black because it was too fuchsia for me. Yeah, I just wiped it off. I didn't like it. I added a little bit more black and now it's giving me that black cherry look. You wanna play with my yo-yo? I smoke my hydro on the deal. I smoke my hydro on the deal. I smoke my hydro on the deal. My next nail video, I'm gonna do a lot better because as you can see towards the end, I realized this is the angle that I need to film in, and I finally got a new tripod. My boyfriend got me a new vlogging camera. Ugh, I love this angle so much. But I just want to say, even though I've been doing my own nails for a little while, I'm not a pro at this. I still feel like a beginner, especially when it comes to my polish application. I'm pretty messy when it comes to that because it's the last step and I just want to hurry up and finish. But practice makes perfect. I just need to take the time out and just take my time and just really perfect my craft. Yeah, drinks on me. Said now go and take a shot on me. So when it comes to the amount of time that you should leave your nails in the UV light, it depends on which gel polish you're using. So I know the Beetles, that's the one that I'm using. You have to cure it for at least 60 to 90 seconds. And then this last clear top coat that I'm using, I believe is 60 seconds. And this one specifically is cool because usually when you use a top coat, you have to wipe it down with alcohol. But with this one, you don't have to use any alcohol to get any stickiness off because once it's dry, the nail is already smooth and ready to go. Why you make it so complicated? Off the drain, we concentrated. I know you won't leave me hanging. Okay, so we are done with the nails. Yesterday I got tired, I didn't finish. Okay, like I finished my nails. I'm gonna just show you the last thing that you need to do after you're done doing your nails. So I'm gonna put a little bit of hand cream. This one is from Fenty Skin. It's the Hydra Reset. It's an intensive recovery hand mask. Sorry about that. It's not just a hand lotion, this is a hand mask. So it's gonna be really nice and hydrating, and it feels like a very light balm. So I'm just gonna make sure I just put this. Oh my god, girl, look. So I went to you can't even see it. I went to a last minute vacay with my boyfriend to Jamaica, and before I started filming I noticed that my skin was peeling. I'm like, no, my tan is starting to go away. And then I don't have any cuticle oil. I either bought some from Walgreens or the Beauty Supply, and it was by Sally Hansen. That shit irritated the out of my cuticles. I don't know what they put in there, but it was itching. Like, I just couldn't. So I'm just gonna use my body oil. This is the Sol de Janeiro. This is the Bum Bum body oil. I'm gonna just use this because this doesn't irritate my skin at all, and I just took a little bit and I'm just gonna run it on the cuticles. I go like this. And I like using my body oils because I could use it on the rest of my body. Why not? Okay, so these are the nails. Don't look at this hand. Get into it. Look at the color. Love her so much. Obviously this hand looks horrendous because I'm a righty. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys learned something new today. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and you try out this sexy black cherry cola nails. So cute. Love it. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys soon.